Here in Hawaii, storm season has arrived. But by planning ahead and being prepared, you can weather the storm safely. Don't wait until the storm hits. Take action now to create a plan for before, during, and after storms. Before storms, prepare an emergency supply kit for your home with food, water, medicine, and other essentials. Create a family emergency plan so everyone in your household knows what to do and where to meet in case of separation. Storms may cause power outages that can last anywhere from a few moments to a few days. Stay in the know and get the latest storm and outage updates by following us on Twitter. Keep away from any downed power lines that have been knocked over by the storm. If you do see any, report them immediately to our trouble line, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. For other tips on how to stay safe during storm season, download our handbook for emergency preparedness. E mālama pono. Weather Hawaii storm season safely by being prepared.